is P51.
His airplane's going to be a little tough to see because it's blue and white, and it's going to blend right with the beautiful blue skies that are hiding behind those clouds up above us.
Oh yeah.
All right, if you see him, point at him and hold him. There he is, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mike Gilligan. You're going to get to hear a lot about Mike later today when he does his full performance, but we wanted you to see just a sneak peek of the amazing things. Now, who thought they'd see an airplane go end over end in an air show? Mike Gilligan doing it for you right there, first out of the box. Watch here as he brings it right back to show center. Here at the top, he gets it to the top, lets the unit shoot out, pulls it back, look at that, upside down, the upside down number for Mike Gilligan, come on,